Hey, what's up, Engineer Profits fam? I'm here to tell employers how they can get the IRS to pay them this tax season. A lot of times employers become fearful during tax season because they don't have the money to pay the IRS. But that's not the case. Right now, I'm here to tell you that you can actually get the IRS to pay you this tax season. And if you own commercial property and have not had an engineered-based cost segregation analysis done yet, you want to head over to careserc.com to find out how much money you can get. Let's get to it. The ERC, or Employee Retention Tax Credit, may be one of the best tax credits out. The disaster ERC is a federal income credit, which in many cases comes in the form of a check that you don't have to pay back or apply for any loan forgiveness programs for. And what makes it even better is the fact that with the CARES Act, you can go back to previous years to get the maximum amount. To find out how much you qualify for, go to careserc.com today.